country living. Oh, there's little babies in that one.
Where?
Right here, underneath Mama.
Oh, there's little babies right there. Oh, some guineas.
Finger in there, yes.
No.
I want to hear them scream.
Look at that guy's other feet.
The old babies.
Yeah.
Want to get some rice?
I'm surprised they ain't got a turkey out here. They got a peacock.
You want a quarter?
Pretty nice little area. They got cows and goats that way. Pretty nice. Out here with the family, got the wife right there. Might see her on stream every once in a while. That's right. They did. They did move them. They got the pones down there too. They're out. There they are. Look at that neck. What's up, dude? You wanna be famous? They do stink. Look, he wants to get famous. A gobbler. A little gobbler. Say hi.
Say
All
cheese.
them chickens. Those are Thanksgiving chickens.
Say cheese.
We'll be seeing you in a month. Yeah, boy. Got old roosters over here. Ain't a single hen in there. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's a rooster.
Keep the chickens.
Dang. They got plenty of roosters, don't they? Oh, there's some eggs back there. Maybe they do have a hen somewhere. Yeah, we got the horses over here. Looks like we got Loretta, Dolly, and Elvis.
Chicken.
What's up, Pom Pom? Get your little scruff. What a life. You got a quarter for some corn? Toss it. I'll catch it. Oh, I did not catch it. 1970. Wonder if that's lucky. Yeah, you can go get you another quarter. This is my quarter. Oh, there's the other one. Get some of that right there. Here, let me see your hand. Right here. Get you some. Put your both hands right there. All right, here, feed him. Feed him. Look, he's trying to get some.
Look at his leg. He's like, give me some. Give me some. Put it up here. Maybe they'll get it up here. Hold your hand up right there.
There you go. With them lips.
I like how he eats it. I like how he eats his like.
Hey, get you another quarter.
Yeah.
Here, both hands. Both hands. Gotta get all of it. All that good stuff.
What's more
Here,
food?
get him down there.
Yeah, put your hand up.
You're not ready for this one.
There we go.
Yum 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 yum.
You gotta push it long over to him.
That's funny.
I like how they eat it.
Is it
Nom,
good?
nom, nom,
Where's their
nom.
little trough at?
Is it good?
They gotta eat it off the floor. That ain't right.
Oh, Lord. It scared me.
Me too.